turbo. Look at the tires. Damn. Hey, this pulls like it's hella light. With that fat ass turbo? Could you imagine?
This is the one that slaps the rev a little bit.
Oh, look at this. Clean ass Lexus. I mean dirty, but I like the color.
Hey, what if I fuck with this dampening right now?
That'd be so fun. Twisted, bro? You're in it. Hey, asshole, dude. Hey, bro, hey, would you put your money on this one or that, the Acura over there?
Acura.
The Acura, huh?
Acura.
Hella lighter. Okay. Guys, I missed him. He was just hitting the switches right now. I know. The rep on this one, hella clean too. See, that's the rep I was telling you about. Or the yo, it is, huh?
What the hell?
Did you see how it changed?
Yeah. You know what he did though? He peeled off some of it.
He did, huh? Oh, damn. Damn, that's a hit.
What? Look at that.
Damn. Hey, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, he's got burners in the back. For sure.
3.0 turbo too.
Got shit.
It has a Gorilla. It has a GoPro. This is when you know you're about to get gapped.
And it only came in manual.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, I think it's like ending already, so all the cars are leaving. But we're gonna go walk over there real quick. Which one?
S13.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna go over there on the side and then kind of get
Outside?
the recording. Yeah, get the recording of the car just pulling away.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh, that's so fire.
bro, that sounds great. Woo! Damn, bro, you hear that one? Damn. Hey.
Let's go.
Hey, I want to cross, but I don't want to get hit though. Go. Okay. Oh, this one looks sick. I like the wrap on this one. Oh yeah, it is. Damn, bro, that was loud. Oh hell no! Oh no! Bro, that Mustang got sideways. I backed up.
I saw that.
Hella loud, dude.
Oh, that's so sick.
Damn. Oh, look at.
Fuck, I gotta go.
Oh.
Wait.
Hey, bro, where you at?
I gotta go, bro. That's my family.
I feel it. Someone's gonna crash, bro. Someone's not gonna like. Someone's gonna go too fast, bro.
It's gonna be a V8.
And press the brake too late, and it's just.
Yeah, it's gonna be a V8. Guaranteed.
Oh.
Is that stock wheels?
Yeah. This on the BMW. Bay Area flip. Oh, he's about to scrape his bumper leg.
Damn, driver.
You did?
Hella low.
Oh, that one was loud, bro.
That cat lift.
Oh,
Yo!
bro, just
What if we turned around and he
bro,
was on the curb?
dude. Oh, you about to burn it out. Oh, you about to burn it out.
Going crazy.
I'm backing up just in case.
I don't want to get all that dirt in my face.
Bro, look at the fat ass tires on this one.
Dude. I love those wheels. Those wheels are so fire. On that car, that's the color I want my car.
Alright guys, so we ended up pulling up to a different meet over here on top of this parking garage, and as you guys can see, it's just a bunch of Hondas over here, and we're out of place right now.
Very out of place.
Yeah, so it's just a few different cars that aren't Hondas. We have this Corvette right here, and then like a Mustang or Camaro over there, and the rest of the lineup right here, all Hondas. And you got like 2 trucks all the way at the end over there.